Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video is related to dropshipping. What I'm going to show you guys how you can use the power of AI to do product research, to find the competitors, to find the niche wherever you want to sell the product. So a really powerful tool which I'm going to show you guys. We often use ChatGPT and lot of other tools in order to do research, in order to do code and all of that kind of stuff, and AI has made our life easier, or maybe I think we have made ourselves lazier. But in any case, AI is the trend and we have to follow. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use this AI tool in order to research the product and make a lot of profit by creating a dropshipping store. So the tool which I'm going to be using is called Sell the Trend AI Dropshipping. And this is an awesome tool which is a complete hub which will help you research the product, research the competitor, and list your product on the store automatically without manually copying and pasting, researching on SEO title, SEO description, researching on Facebook ads, and a lot of stuff which you don't need to do at all if you use this tool. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. Super simple. All you have to do is just install the app. You can use the link in the description or just Google out Sell the Trend. Pretty awesome tool. Once you install that, you will have that on your apps. And I'm going to open that app and show you guys how powerful this tool is in order to find those products that are winning, that are selling, and those products which are free from tariff. That is also another point to note because dropshipping industry has gotten a lot of fear due to the tariffs which were introduced by Trump, and then they were removed, and then they got introduced again. I mean, there's a lot of confusion between that, but this tool is going to give you a separate tab which shows the product which are completely free from tariff. So you can see my screen. We have this tool open, and here we have this Nexus AI product, which is basically an AI tool which will do the complete research for you. So guys, that's our AI tool which will help us do the research on product. And we have a lot of different tabs. You can see we have, when I'm recording this video, we have Father's Day coming. So it's showing that you can find the products related to Father's Day. And as I told you guys, we have this tariff-free tab, which is really friendly, which is really helpful because due to the lot of confusion with the tariff, it is really good to have this tab where it is going to filter out all of those products which does not imply with the tariff thing, right? And let's go to some other tabs here. Just like if you're researching a product in your niche and your niche is the pets category. So if I'll click on pets, it is going to list all of those products. Here you can see that we have now pets product showing up, and we can see the detailed stats on every single product, that which countries this product is being sold to. Just like this product here, it's being sold to Germany, Poland, Spain, Europe, and we can also find the products in US. So there are a lot of products which we can find really easily. And when you click on any of the product, this product research button here, it is going to break down all of the details for that product. So let's click on product research and let me show you guys what are the details you will be getting. So you can see that it got 5 orders. That's the product cost and that's the selling price. Now the profit margin is really high. This tool detected this product. The Nexus AI detected this product about a year ago, and someone on the store added this 1 month ago. So you can see a trending product. We have 2 suppliers. We have total sales of $148, 34 stores that are selling, and that is the competition meter, which is also really important, that 34% competition, meaning that competition is not really high. So a product where you see that the competition is more than 50%, I would consider that it's a higher competition and it is really difficult to compete with that kind of product. And these are the product insight, which is also really helpful. So you can see here, it's a popular product. Product is selling on 34 stores. We have good profit margin. We have a popular niche. Obviously, pet is really a popular niche. And one of the most selling products are from these niche. And here we have this one negative aspect as well, that it is not a new product. It is added to this tool over a year ago, meaning it's not a fresh product or not a new product. So you might find this product on a lot of stores. And here we have the stores that are selling this product. And we also see this ads. So if we click on any of the see ads button, it is going to open the Facebook ad library and show us what are the types of ad they are running. So we can also get some inspiration of the type of ads which we should create. So if I click on see ads here, okay, this one is not showing. Let's try some other store to see if we find out any ads. Okay, here you go. You can see that we can also find out the ads which that store is running. This is currently a different product, but you get the idea that you can easily do the research by clicking on this see ads, that what are the ads being run by that store. So really important stats which we have here, and super simple way to add the product on your store. So I already have integrated my store with this tool, and all I have to do in order to add the product from this tool is just click on this add to store. So let me show you guys. So let's suppose I want to add this product. Obviously I would do some more research about the product which I need to add on the store, but let's suppose that we want to add this product to our store. So all I have to do is just click on this add to store button, and it is going to show this pop-up with all of the details, that what is going to be the product title, what is going to be the tags. You can add your own tags as well. This is the description. You can see that it has nice looking GIF from that product. So it is really nice to have that kind of GIF, right? All of the description is SEO friendly, meaning it is also help you rank organically on the Google or any other search engine. Here we have the selling price, here we have the compare price, and here we have the profit margin showing up. We can select our collection if we want to, and all I have to do is just now click on push to store. Okay, the product has been successfully pushed to my store. It is going to take few minutes in order to show up in our store. So I'm going to go to my products and see if this product has been imported. And here you go. You can see that we have this cat catch interactive self-flying bird toy showing up on my store. Let's preview the product. And here you go. You can see that we have all of the variations. We have the description, we have the GIFs within the description and the pictures. Obviously it's a development store. I haven't done any design thing on that store, so it's not looking really well because of that image is too huge, but that is the designing part. It is not related to the tool. So you can easily add it on your store no matter whatever theme or whatever framework you're using on your development or on your Shopify store, right? So it's pretty simple on how you can add those products. And once you add those products, you will have those products showing up here. So here we have this store manager in the sell the trend tool, where it is going to basically show all of the orders. If you get any orders, it is going to show the products which you imported from sell the trend. Here you can see that I have imported these two tools, right? We have some other cool stuff in that tool as well, which is for, so what we did is we did product research. Now let's do some research about the ads, which is popular on our niche and for our product, right? So here we have this ad finder. And here we can find out the ads that are trending. So here you can see that it got 20,000 likes, it got 48 comments and about 1,000 shares. And this is from US, and this is for Facebook. We can also do the same for TikTok. And here we have different filters which we can find out what are the weekly winners, what is the monthly best, what is for the high engagement. So if I click on high engagement, it is going to show me the ads which have gotten a lot of engagements, right? So these are the products which we can use, which we can analyze to see that which ads are working. Obviously, when the ads are more working, it is more likely to be sold as well. So you can do the research on your product, and you can also do the research on ads, which is, if you are not using that tool, you will have to manually go to Facebook ad library, TikTok ad library, all other platforms to manually search for the ads which got high engagement. And when you go to ad library, it does not basically show you the number of engagement, it just show you the ads, especially with the Facebook ad library. Good thing about this is that you can see that the number of engagement is also showing up here. Also, one thing I would like to add is that the product research tool which we have is getting the data from Amazon, AliExpress, CJ, Dropshipping, and multiple platforms, meaning you are not getting the data from just one platform. It is consolidating the data from all of the different platforms and giving you the winning products. So if you are using CJ Dropshipping, you might be seeing the data just from the CJ Dropshipping, not from the AliExpress or Amazon. But this Nexus AI gonna do the research from all of these different platforms and show you the winning products which you should build your dropshipping store to. So really cool tool if you want to build a dropshipping store. Link will be in the description to install the app. There are a lot of other features in this app, but it is going to be a really big video if I tell you guys all of the features. These were the most important features which I thought you should know when creating a winning dropshipping store. That's it for the video. Until next video, have a great day.